Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's finally time. My final piece has come. My case. I got the H510. But here we are. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to build a PC today. SSD, Western Digital. We got Ryzen 3700 X7, Earth Watts Gold Pro 650, epic. That one's pretty heavy. This is my RAM, DDR4 3600 megahertz, pretty epic. We got Hyper 212 Black Edition Cooler Master CPU cooler. This is my motherboard, the B450 Tomahawk Max, which is actually compatible with Ryzen 7, or rather Ryzen Series 300 or 3000 series. So it's compatible. It should work right out of the box. And we got my graphics card, which is a Radeon 5600 XT. So I'm gonna be building this today in this case. And we got this camera to show you everyone a time lapse of how this is gonna go down. And yeah, so let's get started.